Welcome guys, today I will show you how to activate and how to use one-handed mode on POCO F8 Ultra. Let's open the settings app, scroll a very bottom and choose additional settings. Here in accessibility chapter, pick one-handed mode part. Now move this toggle to activate the feature. So now to turn on one-handed mode, you should swipe left or right from the center of the navigation panel here, like here. And now, as you can see, one-handed mode activated. So to exit, swipe up from the bottom of the screen or tap anywhere above the app, like here, or like here. If you have another navigation method on your system, like here, gestures, the one-handed mode will be able to use as well, but you will need to swipe the full screen indicator up or down, and this feature won't work if the indicator is hidden. For example, is in some apps. Let's try. And I want to tell you that with gestures mode, activating of the one-handed mode is worst, is more difficult than when you have buttons navigation method. So I recommend you to use button navigation method on your POCO if you want to simply and comfortable using one-handed mode. So now you know how to activate this mode and how to use it. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.